Welcome to Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon. I'll be making a mini dress. It's a turtleneck dress with side pockets and also with bishop sleeve, designed with striped fabric. The measurements we're going to be working with are the full length of our dress. You need the shoulder, the sleeve length, round sleeve, bust circumference, under bust circumference, waist circumference, and the hip circumference measurements. Don't forget we upload our cutting and sewing tutorial separately. So if you're watching the cutting, there is need for you to watch the sewing tutorial as well. And if this is your first time on our channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell as well. Quickly, let's move to the cutting table. Welcome back. I'll be cutting the normal body's measurements, and that is our circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4 inches to fold with, same as the measurement divided by 4 plus 2. The length I'm working with is 35. I added 3 extra inches, that's 38 inches. And I have my 8.5 inches for the bust or the armhole and 12 inches, which is the other bust length. I have shoulder measurements divided by 2, 7. Bust circumference plus 8 divided by 4 will be taken on below the 8.5 inches, and that is 10.5 inches. This is 12 inches, which is the under bust length. Below it, I have my under bust circumference measurements plus 8 divided by 4. The waist measurement plus 8 divided by 4. Hip measurement plus 8 divided by 4. And I took the same measurement straight down, which is 11 inches. So what I'm going to do is to connect this. You can use your cuff sets, and in the absence of that, you can find your way to connect your points. So this is what I'll be cutting out. So this is the front. Let me quickly recap what I just said. We have the length 35 plus 3 inches for folding, that's 38. To fold the fabric, I use the hip circumference measurement, which is the highest circumference measurement, plus 8 divided by 4. To fold my fabric, that is 11 inches. Then here I have the shoulder divided by 2. I took 8.5 inches down in order to get the bust circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. I have the under bust length, which is 12, and below it I took my under bust circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. You can get the distance between the under bust circumference to the waist circumference measurements. So I took that as well, the waist circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. And the same thing, the hip circumference plus 8 divided by 4. So I took it straight down. And this is going to be the front. I'm going to place this to cut the back as well, since the back is not going to have a zipper. To take the neck design, we have front and back now. I'm going to measure the width of 2.5 inches, the front depth of 3.5 inches, and I'm going to connect this. This is a round shape for the front, and the back depth is 0.5 inches. Now we're going to slant the shoulder by 1 inch. Still working on the front. I'm going to measure down the length of 4 inches. and I'm going to open it up just like this. So this is what we have at the front. Now we move to the other material. What I'm going to do is trace out the width, that's the wideness to which I want my stripe fabric to go on my dress. So from the neck, I'm going to take the width measurement of 3 inches. And on the main body, I'm going to take the width measurement of 2.5 inches. So the 2.5 inches goes straight to the base of the dress. So I'm going to connect from here to the points of my 2.5 inches, just like this. Okay, so and that is exactly what I'll be cutting out on my fabric here. So what I'm going to do is to pin it down so that I can take the same measurements. So exactly what I just did. I'll take my 3 inches and I'll take my 2.5 inches. And I'll connect this so I'll be cutting the top fabric alone. Next, I'm going to trace out the neck and the slits. Okay, so let's move to the sleeve now. To cut out the sleeve, I'll be using the round sleeve, that's the upper arm, which is 10 divided by 2 is 5 inches, plus 3 inches to fold, that is 8. But because it's a bishop sleeve, I added extra 1 inch, so I have 9 inches. Now the upper arm is 10 inches, divided by 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6 inches. So remember we added extra 1, so I need to add the extra 1 inch, and that will make it 7 inches. So I'm going to take the 7 inches to the base of the sleeve. And we connect our armhole. This is as easy as bringing out a slant shape first. Then you can take the measurements. This is 10 inches. The middle here is 5 inches. So I'm going to take this up, then I bring it down as well to connect with the 4 inches. So that's an easy way to draft out your basic sleeve. So let's cut. Okay, to the length of the sleeve, I forgot to tell her. To the length of the sleeve, I added extra 2 inches. Alright, so I've cut out the 2 sleeves. And I'll still be using my stripe fabric to tape the base of my sleeve. So this width, you can increase the width. I have here 4 inches. You can make it 5, 6, depending on how long you want the stripe fabric on the sleeve. So I guess we have the pockets to cut, and the normal pocket size is 14 inches by 14 inches. But for this measurement, I'll be using 12 inches by 12 inches, or better still, I'm going to take 6 inches like this. Since I want to maximize my fabric, this is my 6 inches, so I'll just double it like this. So you can do it the same way, or you cut out your 12 inches by 12 inches. So this is my 12 inches. So since this is double, I have 6 inches. No fabric is allowed to be wasted, so I got to use my fabric wisely. So I guess this is the end of the cutting. I'll see you in the next tutorial, which is the sewing. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section and click the subscribe and the notification bell as well.